Hey guys, it's Melon. In today's video I have a squishy package, and if you couldn't tell by the title, this is a total skit. It is not real, it's a spoof, so yeah. So I'm just in the car and I got back from the park, so we're going to just get out. Oh, look, my squishy package. Oh. Okay. So I just got my squishy package. So I'm going to show you it. My address is on here somewhere. I'm just going to oh, my dog's on my toes. Okay. So let me cover my address up. My address is here. I do have it. So yeah, let's just get into this. I can't even cut it. Okay, how the heck did you cut this? And it's in a bag for some reason. I don't know why. But I don't even know how to cut this. I'm just gonna rip a hole in it. Okay. I'm not gonna look yet. I was just opening it. Here, wait. I'm gonna open it up. I'm not looking. Here is, oh my god. Here is the first look. Okay. So I'm gonna feel around for the invoice. Hopefully there is an invoice. Oh, let me put the scissors down. Okay, so found an invoice. The back has Better Together. So here's the invoice. It says invoice on the top. It says Nolly the Whale for $10, a poop emoji for $15, a strawberry octopus for $5, Midnight Kitty and an eye bloom for $20, an eye bloom popcorn for $15, a mini mushy gushy set for $5, and an eye bloom ice cream for $25. And then it says, that's it. So I am just going to pull out a random one. Okay. This one has some packaging. So I'm just going to cut it with my scissors. That was my brother. He said like and subscribe. So I just cut it open. I think this is supposed to be my poop emoji. Okay, well this is not a poop emoji from what I can see. The poop emoji, you probably already know what the poop emoji looks like. I saw it at the store, so I don't know. There is some licensing of some sort, but I don't know. So this is actually, let me check. This is a squashable. It's scented orange, and this in the back I think has some collectibles. On the back it says Pooh Bear. It still counts as a poop, but it's not the emoji poop. So let's just give it a squish. So if there's any background noises, it's my brother. This smells so good. It smells like citrus. So let's give it another squish. Okay. So I'm not as mad as I probably would be. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. There's a little heart right there. I'm not as mad as you probably think I would be, like for not getting the right thing. But you know, that's okay. So, yeah. I'm going to move outside to do this video because I thought it was nice outside. Oh my god, my invoice just fell on the floor. Okay. Okay. So, I'm outside, and we are back. So, the next thing, I can't pick the next thing. Okay. Okay. This is it. And they said that this is the only package, so there's not like another package coming or anything. So yeah. This is supposed to be my eye bloom ice cream for $25. I saw this at Walgreens for $1. Oh my god. I'm so mad. Oh my god. So back to the package. Okay. Real weird bag. I don't know what this is. It looks like a kitty, and the back looks like a midnight. Is this my midnight kitty? It's an eye bloom midnight kitty. Well, let's squish it anyways. Okay, not to mention, this is like super relaxing. You can't see it because of the wrinkles, but in real life, it's so squishy. It's not scented. Okay, so far we have done the poop emoji, the eye bloom ice cream, and the midnight kitty. Sorry if you hear my dogs. Okay, I kept hearing the sprinkling sound from what I took out. Oh, okay, so let me just cut this open because there's another packaging. Okay, let's cut it open. This is another type of those squishies, and I think this is supposed to be my Millie Whale. I can't talk today. Oh my god, my Millie the Whale squishy. But this is definitely not a Millie. This is more a Billy. It's blue #1, which is not Millie. It is scented mint, and it is called. It is called Pie Pop. It has a little octopus on its head, and it's nice. It smells like mint. Yeah, I can definitely say that for sure. Oh yeah, I'm still disappointed because that was literally. Let's see. That was literally $15. Okay, so we have a couple more squishies left. Okay, I feel another squishy. Oh my god. Damage, oh my god. It smells good though, so I'm gonna give that a nice. So, I keep getting text messages. So what are we doing? Oh, popcorn. The eye bloom popcorn was $15 for this messed up thing. There. Okay. So yeah, we are going. So far, I don't even know how much money I've spent on this terrible package. Okay, we have a couple more squishies left. Okay. So I got this strawberry octopus. Was this my strawberry octopus for $15? It smells so good. But literally, this is a pick me pop. This is not a squishy. And this was $15. You can buy this at Five Below for $5. Wow. I'll give them props for it being cute, but I mean, it's not what I ordered. The last thing I have is my mini mushy gushy set. And it's not mushy gushy. It says mini flower and petal squishies. So there's a petal, and this is a petal, and this is a flower petal. Wait, what was it? Oh, it's a leaf. So I'm guessing the last thing is our other one. What even is this? It's a mini cloud squishy. Okay, oh my god. So, do not order from that squishy seller that I swallowed from. It was from Squishy Scammer. Well, it was from Not a Squishy Scammer 101. Do not order from them. So, yeah. That's the end of today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!